Here are your top 10 evening news updates. Let's begin in Mumbai, where Maharashtra Minister Nitesh Rane launched a fierce attack on Congress leaders after remarks made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rane accused Congress of using anti-national language and even claimed some leaders were acting like agents of Pakistan. His remarks have further intensified the already heated political atmosphere between BJP and Congress. Meanwhile, in Kerala, tensions erupted in Thiruvananthapuram as SFI workers marched toward the secretariat, protesting alleged police action against their members during the previous night. Visuals from the protest showed rising student anger and heavy political mobilization, turning the capital into a charged protest zone. And one of the biggest interstate disputes tonight comes from the Kaveri water conflict. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar defended the Mekedatu project, saying court rulings support Karnataka's responsibility to release 177 TMC water while also allowing the state's development rights. His statement comes as Tamil Nadu intensifies legal and political consultations over the controversial dam project. Meanwhile, in Chennai, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay met Malaysia's Deputy Minister of National Unity, Yuneshwaran Ramaraj. The Malaysian leader officially invited Vijay for a future visit and revealed that Malaysia's Prime Minister is also expected to visit Tamil Nadu during the upcoming BRICS-related India trip later this year. In Haryana, DGP Ajay Singhal revealed details about the government's Vision 2030 and 2047 roadmap. He said, Chief Minister-led reviews are reshaping police reforms, performance targets, and long-term security planning across the state. Back in Delhi, Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa announced a major relief decision by the Rekha Gupta government. Delhi has increased the income eligibility limit for ration cards under the EWS category from around 1 lakh rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees annually, allowing many more low-income families to receive subsidized food supplies under the PDS system. Meanwhile, in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath addressed concerns over rising electricity and fuel issues. He linked the ongoing crisis to global tensions involving America and Iran, saying disruptions in international supply chains are pushing oil prices higher worldwide. Yogi also warned against attempts to politicize the situation domestically. In Delhi, Madhya Pradesh Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya praised Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan during the launch of the book Apnapan, Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav. Vijayvargiya said the book documents valuable political experiences and could guide the younger generation in public life. Meanwhile, in Rajasthan, Union Home Minister Amit Shah paid tribute to more than 2,000 martyrs of the Border Security Force. Speaking in Bikaner, Shah praised BSF personnel for protecting India's borders in extreme heat, freezing cold, forests, and mountains without hesitation. And finally, Punjab's municipal elections turned controversial after SAD filed a complaint against AAPM-LA Dimpy Dhillon over alleged booth capturing and intimidation of opposition workers. With these local body polls being viewed as a political semi-final before the 2027 Punjab Assembly elections, tensions are expected to rise even further. Stay connected for more updates.